Hear that sound? You used to that? You start your car up to do that? Or you just turn the key off, walk away, still do that? Well, I'm pretty sure from now, by now, from Googling, you probably know what that is, that sound, because it's just infamous. A little tapping noise can most likely be your air. It got 3 different 15 billion names for it. What do you call it? Mode door actuator, blend door actuator, mixed door actuator, air door actuator, whatever. It could be different ones. Most of these cars come with, you can see the automatic climate control. Some of the, well, they got different actuators for, different positions and stuff like that. They used to have the one with the servo motors, and that's just like back in the day stuff, or vacuum operated or cable operated. Nowadays we use a lot of electronics and stuff, so it has like a little motor towards it or whatever. So that that tapping noise that you hear basically come from one of the parts that I just listed. You can find out which one it is. Sometimes you can lift down the glove box. Pretty much, this is the glove box. Drop it down, and if you peek up inside of here, I'm displaying is one that looks like one. That's just a circ door, recirculation door right there, and it has the actuator for it. And looks like over there is I think that's like a temp door or something like that, or a mode door. I'm not sure which one, but you can find out which one it is by you can grab a feel for it and just move them around or whatever. But for me, looks like I'm working with this one when I hit the recirculation button, which is that guy right there, the car with the little thing inside of it, not the one with the air coming in, but it's being sealed and recirculating back. So pretty much it's closed. So what I want to do is if I can find out where the key is, I want to put the key in ignition, and I want to move this, hit the circ door button, and because it's on, I think it's off right now, I'm going to turn it on, and you can see it open. Now if you can see that shaft move, sometimes when it ever goes back and I don't know, it gets a point where it binds up and it locks up, there it is gear operated. So I did open them up one time before in the video. We're not gonna get into that. Maybe I'll follow this video afterwards. But you see how whenever there's some type of resistance and it can't go another way, it pretty much goes back to the position it was supposed to be. Previously, and like you can hear it. I'm trying to like zoom in so that way you can see the shaft moving. So if I stop moving the camera, you see it moving. So pretty much it's stuck closed. So I want to try to, actually it's open, so I'm going to close it. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to take this part out. The customer did say he had one, but I'm going to match it up. Some of these are the same, some of them not the same, but just to be certain, just pull it out and then match it up. So let me go ahead and do that. Look like it's held in with a 3, 6, or 7 millimeter bolts. To me they look like they're about 6, but I'll leave it in the description what size. So give me 1 second to pull this out. Make sure you get the connector off too. It's not hard at all. So got my 1/4 inch flex. Got some rust there a little bit. I'll touch this with some PB Blaster or soak it in something. That is my Mako ratchet. That's what happens when you work in shops too. Your tools get rusty, and my tools never rust when I'm home, so I don't have that problem here. So it is, to be exact, the size for it is a 5.5 quarter, and you got to somehow maneuver it in there. It look like I can back this out by hand now, but I snuck in there with the flex head ratchet. If you want to be that guy, remove the whole glove box. It's not hard. There are a couple, look like some 8 millimeter bolts. One right there, another one up there. 8 millimeter bolts all around. I'm not taking the whole thing out. I'm just wing it. So let me see what I can do. Oops, that dropped down. I'll be sure to get it. I have more of those too in my box, but there are 3 keeping this actuator in. So just get your hand up in there, just feel around, you be good. So I'm not going to show you how to get it out. I'm just really showing y'all the fix for this job. So give me 1 second. I don't even know what the hell happened. But Johnny, if I could find this ratchet, shout out again, bro, for this ratchet. Trying to maneuver up in there, but being as though, yo, this ratchet is clutch. I mean, just the length and the angle it gives me. It don't matter what ratchet you got, you're still gonna have a little struggle. I'm trying to like rest this on top of. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to rest this on top of the head. You always gonna have trouble getting in the back of these, but you see I got it to ratchet a little bit. But yeah, this gear wrench 120 XP, this joint the truth. Maybe I'll leave a link at the end of the video. Make sure y'all cop up on this, but I'll be right back. Got the part out. I'm not sure if this is, yeah, is this the old one? No, this is the dormant one. This is the replacement. This is the old one. These go in a certain way. Now for this one, being as though it's just a circuit door, I can go back and twist this up. So it all depends on where it last was, or it goes in a certain way. You really can't mess up. So I'm gonna flip this all the way back if I could, which I did already, and then I am going to insert this. It's like a little different, like a little slotted groove, so it'll go in a certain way. So let me go ahead and like put that on. Pretty much went to town. Was able to get in there. Did realize that the 2 screws are, like I said, it was 5.5 millimeter, and then I got a burp. It's only 2. I didn't see a third one or anything that is screwed to, so whatever. Just put back what came in. I got the connector in, so now I'm gonna give it a try. If I could, I don't know where I put those keys at. I think I'll put them right here. Cool. Put that on. I'm gonna turn the door on. Look like that worked to me. No locking, no binding. I'm gonna open it. Oh, hold on, let me hit the button again. Sorry. Here we go. That's closed. Let me open it. No. What that? I don't know what happened, but it's working. Maybe I'm hitting the wrong button and reading it out right. Here we go. You had to like give it a second, pretty much. So it works. That's pretty much, that's all there is to discuss. So mind you, your car may have multiple ones. There's another one right there. I'm pretty sure that's probably for the temp door, and I believe on the other side of this dash, and down at the bottom on your footwell, on the other side of the HVAC housing assembly, should be another one. Should be, some cars come with like 3 or 4, 5, I don't know, but there's always multiple ones. So that's pretty much it. So if you got like a General Motors car, GM, Caddy, Buick, Pontiac, Saturn, Chevy, a Caddy, I don't know, whatever, this may help you out. So I'm Leekautorepair. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Malik in parentheses, Leekautorepair, PO Box number 4, Lansdowne, PA 19050. If you want to send me some stuff, send it there. Car reviews, car questions, product reviews, or whatever. Make sure you email me, leekautorepair@gmail.com. Anybody wanting Leekautorepair shirts for 25 plus shipping, get with me. And make sure y'all get at me on a gram. And that is the same as my YouTube, which is Leekautorepair. So I'll holla at